Hey, what'd you get for your birthday?
I got older.
That is weird.
Figaro he, Figaro ha, Figaro he, Figaro ah.
My Russian food is very good, but the Indian cook misunderstood. It burns, burns, burns.
Your curry is so hot.
It burns, burns, burns.
Like fire, oh my god.
It burns, burns, burns.
Drink that it won't stop.
It burns, burns, burns. In my mouth and tomorrow in my butt.
Okay, Junior, here's the macaroni and cheese you asked for. You're so cool. Chef Phoebe, what's this brown stuff in it? Oh, that is poop, but all I know how to cook is poop. Gross. Oh, Chef Phoebe, I don't feel so good. Damn it, Junior, why'd you throw up my poop macaroni? Cause it tastes like sweaty turtle balls. Oh no, I have to poop.
Hey, kid, you can't skate here.
You can't tell me what to do.